Thanks for choosing Swagatude. Let's get started editing your template by clicking the Canva link. View template. This will take you to your free Canva template editor. You'll need to sign in if you haven't already. Editor will open up with 5 pages. Quick tip, I always remove copy of from the title on the top because your final product will just say Happy Mother's Day. In this template, the changes we'll be making will be on page 5. Find the image you want to insert and drag it into the heart frame. There is a little bit of wiggle room in the picture within the heart frame. If you'll double click the image, you can move the image left or right. Next, we want to change the your name. Trust me, your mom will notice. Go to Share, Public View Link, Copy Public View, Copy, and let's test it in a new browser window. Click Play. Within the template, any of the text can be changed by double-clicking it and typing in your new text. All changes can be undone by clicking the back button. And there you have it. You can share your link anywhere you send a hyperlink. Email, social media, text message, your choice.